Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make honey roasted cashew nuts. Bismillah. Wah! No words needed. Let's move on to a recipe now. So I'm going to begin by adding in 20 grams of butter, and I'm just going to let that melt. Give that a go. Next, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of honey. Okay. So I'm stirring this on low flame, and look at that golden mixture. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. Next, I have vanilla extract. So I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract there. That. Now I'll continue to give it a good stir. Now I am going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. Okay, let's give it a mix again. Oh, it's coming out well. It smells wonderful. And now I'm going to add in 2 cups of cashew nuts. So these are just plain cashew nuts, and 2 cups worth of them. So that goes inside the main ingredient. That's it. I love cashew nuts. Cashew nuts are just amazing because they do contain fat in them, but it's a high source of protein. So if you're gym goer, wonderful for the muscle growth, but just generally, you know, from a macronutrient standpoint, very good to have for the oils that are, well, the oils that consists, and the protein that it consists, and also the essential fats that it has in there as well. So let's give it a good stir so it coats every single cashew nut that is within, or that is inside. Now this is done. Next step is to now place this onto the baking tray. So as much as I can, I have just coated this with all the ingredients I put in. Now I'm going to put this onto the baking tray and let it roast after that. So I've got some baking paper. Now what I'm going to do is evenly spread the cashew nuts onto the baking tray. Let's get it out. First and foremost, it's kind of drenched in the butter. You know, got the honey that we use as well, and also put in some salt, put some cinnamon powder, all of that stuff. It's coming out, but it smells wonderful. Okay, getting close to the end. Let me evenly spread this out now. Okay, so now that this has been evenly spread out, we're gonna bake this for the next 10 minutes. Okay, so we put it in for a total of 10 minutes, but we did take it out after 5 minutes, give it a little bit of a mix so that it doesn't burn. So you move it to the other side. So now it's been 10 minutes, and you can see these are the cashew nuts, and very nicely coated. And you can see the slight sort of goldenness that's come out of as a result of it being baked. Now we're going to move on to the next steps. I'm just going to give it a little stir. We'll do so. So as it's still hot, what we're going to do is add some sugar to it, like so. Brilliant. And let's give it a stir. Another pinch of salt is added. So as it cools down, it's going to crystallize. It's going to become really delicious. Oh, it smells wonderful. And the weather is like, you know, in the whole of the UK, overcast conditions. My kind of weather, you know, you go out, it's 3 p.m. You see the dark clouds through the window. It's cool. And then you have something like this, you know, absolutely scenes. So this for us is like very synonymous with autumn, winter feel. Now we don't know what's going to happen, whether there's going to be some sort of like second wave or something like that. But you can make this sort of stuff from home. You don't have to go outside to one of those markets. Like, you know, a couple of years ago we were in Vienna, and you know, you would expect to see stuff like this being sold at one of the winter or the Christmas markets and stuff like that. Now this is what's you can make this stuff from home. So with that said, do like the video, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, hit the notification bell icon so that you are informed of our daily releases. Share this content to as many people as possible. And with that said, catch you in the next one.